Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use spearmint tea. Spearmint tea is a wonderful herbal remedy, celebrated for its refreshing taste and numerous health benefits. Many people find it helpful for balancing hormones, especially in women, and it can even assist in reducing unwanted hair growth and improving skin clarity. It's a simple, natural addition to your daily routine that offers a gentle, calming effect. Brewing your own spearmint tea is quite simple. For a standard 8-ounce cup, you'll want to use about 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried spearmint leaves. Heat your water to around 200 degrees Fahrenheit just before boiling. Then, steep the leaves for 5 to 10 minutes. If you prefer a more potent brew, simply let it steep for a few extra minutes or add a little more tea. For optimal results, aim to drink 1 to 2 cups of spearmint tea each day. Consistency is truly important, so try to make it a regular part of your routine. Some people enjoy their first cup in the morning, while others prefer it in the evening as a relaxing ritual before bed. You might also find it beneficial to drink it alongside your meals. While spearmint tea is generally considered safe for most, there are a few important considerations. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's always wise to consult with your doctor before incorporating it into your diet. Pay attention to your body for any signs of allergic reaction or digestive upset. If you experience any adverse effects, simply discontinue use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.